As David says, drop a gear and disappear. What's up guys? Back with another video. Going straight. On in second for a time. What's that? Whatever it was. Yeah, we're back for another video in the new Frozen Grey M3 that I've just bought, that you saw in my last video. My other one, my girlfriend here, Karina, she actually never drove it. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. I don't know why. I didn't have runners on my bucket seats, so she couldn't drive it. And then I bought some, and I owned, and I had the runners for about a year, but I never had time to fit them. So she can never drive it. I'll watch out for the bushes. Yeah, so she couldn't actually drive it because she wouldn't reach the pedals. So, and then I kind of listed it for sale. I put the runners on, listed it for sale, and it kind of sold quicker than we thought. So she never actually got a chance to drive it. So with this one, I thought I need to let her drive it. So she's actually driving it, and I will just put in some clips of her dropping a gear and disappearing. Like David says, drop a gear, disappear. Shout out to our boy Dav for the little saying. I've never heard of that before, but it does sound like a good one, so I'm gonna use it from now on. So yeah, I'll just insert a few clips of her driving, because we just done some nice roads near our house. So but we've got cyclists in the way. So she owns a 335i. It's slightly remapped to about, doesn't matter actually, but it's remapped, so it's a little bit faster than stock. She's got the N55 with a DCT gearbox, which is actually the same gearbox as in the M3, just slightly different mapping, so it's a bit softer and stuff. The changes aren't as sharp and whatever, so you can just slow down if you want and just wait for them to go, and then you can just go, because it's not behind you. So yeah, she's got the non-M 335i, but as good as you can get essentially of a non-M 3 Series. If that makes any sense. So yeah, I thought it would be interesting to see. What she thinks of the differences, and what she's mentioned so far is the car just feels a lot more stable, which is, you know, understandable, because the suspension is just way better on this. Have I even pressed record?
Yeah.
I pressed record. Yeah, she said that it just feels a lot more stable, this car, when you're accelerating. It's just kind of not skipping about and stuff like the normal E92s do, the non-M cars. Yeah, just go for a little bit here. You can always turn around and go back if you want. So yeah, that's kind of one of the things she realised. And then she said she likes steering in sport mode, not in normal mode, because it's a bit more direct. She said, well, she didn't use those words, but I'm translating into what makes sense into a car enthusiast. She didn't quite put it like that, but you know, that's what she was trying to say. So yeah, the steering's a bit more direct. It just feels a lot more stable. And apparently she loves the downshifts, which she's constantly doing into like first gear everywhere she can.
I'm not.
She literally is. So she's just revving the tits off it constantly. Slow down a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. It's enough.
What do you mean that's it? Yeah, it feels so nice.
Going right, just after this bend. Or in the middle of the bend.
Huh?
That's, yeah. Just watch out accelerating in first, because it's a bit wet.
So yes. It'd be nice if these wipers were good.
Yeah, that would be good.
Yahoo!
yeah, just a quick little short video to show you guys. There's some planes, look over there, flying, 4 of them. Yeah, just a quick little video, another one on M3, just to let her drive it and yeah, show her opinions. So, what do you think? In your own words.
Yeah, it's good.
You heard it here first, guys. If you own a 335i and you wonder what an M3 feels like, it's nice. So yeah, just buy one if you can. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.